can we open a Shopify store in USA from Pakistan? Today we are going to find out if we can open a Shopify store in USA from Pakistan. So currently in this case, this is not possible. As you know, they want you to put your USA's address and USA's phone number, and you need to be at the USA if you want to run a Shopify store right there. But you can do some other programs like drop shipping, Shopify drop shipping, in which you are selling your products at the USA from buying from USA, but you won't be able to do the store from there. So if you want to do the drop shipping thing, you just simply have to go to Google and type in drop shipping Shopify. And here, as you guys can see, these are website which lets you as you guys can see, this is the ultimate guide to drop shipping, and you just have to read these kind of articles, or you have to go to this blogs in order to start that. So I'm just gonna go to this website, which is start a dropshipping business, and it will want you to create an account. After creating an account, you will be able to drop ship your products. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.